Hello guys and welcome to today's stream. Today in this stream we are going to be hopefully doing some more coding on our projects that we started yesterday and starting some new work of code. So without further ado, just because I love our intro, I'm going to play the intro once more and I'll see you after the intro. So there we go. Welcome back. So we are going to be starting with let's do let's so here's our project from yesterday. As you can see, I left it on our home screen. Get rid of that quickly. So yeah, we've got this one here. So we'll just quickly right click, edit with idle, and there we go. So I'll just move that back. So here's our line of code from yesterday. As you remember, we scripted all this yesterday. And it's basically just the start of a story program where we can make our own stories. So I'm quickly going to press F5 to run it. And we'll go this. So the username is test. And then the password is test1234. And correct username and password. Here's your program. Please enter your age for your story. We're going to enter, because we want the older story, we're going to enter 15. Please enter your name. We're going to put it just in Ben for now. Enter your favourite video game. We're going to be putting in Fortnite. I don't like Fortnite, but you know, we still put Fortnite in. One sunny day, there once was a wonderful person called Ben. They were 15 years old. They loved to play Fortnite. So that's what we did yesterday. We coded that, and if they inputted the wrong username or password, they wouldn't be able to get into the program, which is a very, very handy technique. So I have saved it, and if we get if we do get a website, which I'm working on at the minute, I will publish all of them to the website so that you guys can actually see them all. So we've got our lines of code here. So what we're going to do is we are going to do some more scripting with the age. So as you can see, we've got if age is less than 13, so that's 12 and under, then they get this story here. Then we've got if age is 12, is above 12, so 13 and over, they get this story. So what we want to do is we want to do one for the 16. Now we'll have the 18-year-olds. So what we'll do is we'll put if no, bear with me a second, guys. So yes, we will now put if age is greater than if age is so it's going to be for over 18s. So we need 17 there. The reason for this is because it's for 17s and overs. It's for 18s and overs. So we don't. If we put 18 in there, it would be for 19, 20, 21, so on. So that's why that's the reason for putting one lower than the people that are going to use it. So we're going to have 3 ends. 3 ends for name. Then we're going to equals input, and then we're going to put please enter your name. So we've got that there, and there we go. So now what we're going to do is game equals. Actually, not all over 18-year-olds play games. So we're going to put activity. Input. What is your favorite? Let's see. What is your favorite? What's your favorite activity? Sorry, my mind went blank there, guys. It sometimes does that. But there we go. What is your favorite activity? Actually, no. Enter your favorite activity. Enter your favorite activity. So then I'm gonna leave another space. We're gonna put print. One weird day. There was a awesome person called, and then we're going to put that there, so it's no longer printing what we say in there. It's going to do a variable if we put comma, space, and then if we put something like, let me think, if we put an aim, sorry, 3 n's and then aim for this variable here. So whatever is entered into this variable here will be printed out here, comma, and then we want that, and then we want they loved to, and then that there, comma, activity, and then comma, and that, and they love to activity. Actually, what we need to do is we need to also get rid of that. They were. There's also a person called name, and they were the age. So we used, when we put age in there, we're using the, pardon me. We're using this variable up here that we've declared. Where is it? Where were we typing? We were typing here. And what we'll do is we'll take that back there. They were that years old, and then we'll do a dot there. They love to video games, so we'll have they love to activity, and then their activity will be, let me think. So just looking at something on my other monitor. They love to activity, and then we'll just put a full stop at the end of that. So that should be the next story. So it's 18s and over. So what we'll do is do F5. Okay. Invalid syntax. Everything's fine there. I haven't changed anything else. Oh. Ah. There we go. That should be fine now. Actually, I don't believe that would work. So we'll kill that. We'll balls. There we go. We'll do that. And there we go. Why is there an equal sign there? There we go. Alright. So now if we click F5, save that. And enter username. The username currently is test. Password test1234. The correct username password. Please enter your age for your story. So age, we'll just put in 18. Please enter your name. Ben. Enter favorite video game. We'll put in. Oh, I don't know. We'll put in. Hold on, why is it asking me for my favorite video game? GTA. So there's a wonderful person called Ben. They're 18 years old and enough to play GTA. Why did it do that? So if age is greater than 17, well, it's like that. Oh, if so we'll change that to less than, and then we'll change that to if age is less than 18, and then if that is greater than 17, then that should be fine. Actually, no. This is the last story. So what we'll put is else if. Actually, no. Actually, yes, else, because that should be right now. So if we put in enter username, test, enter password, test, 1234, and please enter your age for your story. I don't know, we'll do please enter your age for your story. So put in 19. Please enter your name, Ben. Please enter your favourite activity. That now it should be working. So we'll put playing football. We'll just put that. One weird day, there was an awesome person called Ben. They were 19 years old. They loved to playing football. Right, that sentence isn't correct, but it'll be fine as long as the person enters play football. So yeah. Or they could just put football there, so then it will come up with. Bear with me a second. Anyway, we'll come back to that in a bit, but there's something else I want to sort out here. So he wants to do correct username and password. So we'll put successfully logged in. Successfully logged in. We'll put it like that. successfully logged in. And then we'll put, if you wanted to have any other usernames, all you needed to do, I believe, is just put a comma here along with that. So we're just gonna test with username of a bear. Actually, we'll do BDS, and then we'll have this one as, I don't know. We'll put the password in as Jeff123, and then that's that. So if we click F5 now, and what? No. Very interesting. Or we'll replace it with or. Hopefully that should work. No. Or BDS. Right. Now it should work. Oh, I was gonna sneeze. Hold on. Bear with me a second. False alarm for some reason, but I expect it will come shortly. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna enter username, which is BDS. Enter password. We'll enter the password as Jeff123. Successfully logged in. Please enter your age for your story. We'll do 19. Please enter your name. We'll just put in Ben. Please enter your favorite activity. Football. One more day there was not a person called Ben. They were 19 years old. They loved to football. Still need to get rid of that. For some reason, but it's only just like a rough thing. It doesn't have to be grammatically correct. We're not making this for people that are gonna actually look like that, look for all that. Just making it for fun, really. So now that script basically works, and there's not much we can really do with this program apart from make it graphic so that it's a proper physical program. Which we might do, but not at the minute, because we're going to slowly work our way up the chain for that, and we might come back to this in a while. So yeah, we've got all that. If you wanted to add any more, I believe that you have to put or, and then we'll add another username. We'll just put another password. Sorry, I'll put, I don't know. We'll put a password as 12345, and username, or we'll put username as 12345 as well, and then okay, enter username 12345 12345. Successfully logged in. There we go. So we're logged into that. We'll currently kill that. What we want to do is there's a thing at the bottom of this where we're going to select whether we want to actually make another story, or whether we want to log out. So we'll do that in another stream, but I want we can sort of do some other stuff in this stream. So we'll quickly save that, and then we'll close that, and we will continue with another one after the break. Hello and welcome back. We're gonna load up idle Python first, and here we go. So, as I showed you yesterday and in a few other streams, how to create a new file. We're just gonna go to new file, and we're going to create a new file. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take a look at some of the other turtle demos here that we could take a look at and change different things. And I can also explain to you guys about what we can do with these. So, what we're going to do is, what we'll do first is we'll go to Color Mixer. What's Color Mixer like? Drag what? So that makes white. So when you put all of them there, just take them all down a little bit, and it will turn. So it turns different types of colours. Oh, red. Oh, black. That's a nice colour. Oh. So yeah, you got your primary colours here. So if we do, we'll just get rid of that. We'll start up, turtle, turtle again. Here. So examples, this time we'll go with, tree. This makes a tree, I believe. Does it? I don't know. Anyway, we'll load up a different one. We'll go to two canvases. Start. So this builds that. We can change it into different shapes with this one. So it's very interesting. You can change it to different shapes. Where it says event loop, here, down here, that will make it do it all over again and keep going until the user stops it. You got things like different colours. So the first one can be red, the second one can be blue. So you can change that to colours like, we'll change that one to yellow. We'll change this one to, I don't know, green. And then we'll do stop, and then we'll start it again. Oh, it should have changed, but it didn't. I think if what we do is we go to that, Control C, and then we'll get rid of that, do that there, and then we'll paste all that in right there. Oh, it's not pasting for some reason. Not wanting to paste today, are you? I've been trying to paste lots of different things today. They've just not been working, so we'll go to two canvases again. We will copy all this code like we did before. And we'll do Control C. Then we'll do Control V. There we go. And then we'll do. I'm just gonna quickly save this. So I'll do. We'll do F5 and click OK, and then I'll quickly save it to where I want to. We'll save it as two canvases. Stand by for me. Save it in there. Just quickly save it. There we go. So that's now saved. So if I put, there we go. For some reason I'm gonna have to do this manually. So there we go. You guys are back. Right. So here we have our little module here. So I believe that if we change this to yellow and we change this to green and we run it again, it should start up. Yes, there we go. So this one draws it in yellow and this one draws it in green. And you can change it to different shapes here, but we're not going to change the turtle. What we'll do is we'll go to it's a very short line of code actually, and right. So canvas. Right, width. We can change the width on both of these. We'll change the width to, we'll say 1000. We'll put a square canvas, so we'll do, and then we'll do that. And then there we go, there's that one, so we'll click F5 and OK. And then that's how you can change the different sizes. Oh, that's a very big canvas we have there. So, that's very large right now. So what we want to do is we'll just take these down from 1000. We'll do 500 each way, and that should complete it. Like so. And F5. Okay. And there we go. It draws it out. Alright. I'll be right back, guys. And we are back. So, keep window open until users closes it. I could copy this here to the other things so that it stays open until someone closes it. So yeah, so T shape turtle. We can keep a turtle there. there's not much we can really change in this one because it's not that customizable. So we'll delete that, we'll close that, and close that, and then I'll just show you. We'll just get rid of that, and yeah, that's about it from this episode. But these, I've just found out that we could actually destroy Python. So we could do open with. There isn't an open with on here. Ugh. I thought we could do that then, but never mind. If we do that, just click on that. Should it enter username? I can only remember the test one, so test 1, 2, 3, 4. So we logged in, enter age for a story, 10. Please enter your name, Ben. Ben Cooler. Please enter your name. Why is it asking me to enter my name again? Ben. Enter your favorite video. I did not test this. Oh, never mind. Please enter your name. Something gone wrong here. GTA. Something went wrong there. I'll do exactly what I did, but in the Python shell. So we'll do this, and we'll do test 1, 2, 3, 4. Please enter your age for your story. We'll enter 10 again. Enter your name, Ben. Please enter your name, Ben. Please enter your favorite video game, GTA. 10 years old. So there's something wrong here. So lesson 13. Please enter your name. That's asking people. But so it's this. So if age is greater than, if age if age is greater than 12, so that's for people 13 and over. So we'll do F5, username, test 2, 3, 4, 5. Enter your age for your story. We'll enter another age. We'll enter 10 again. Enter your name, Ben. Please enter your name, Ben. Productivity. Right. Now this is messing up, which I did not notice before. So what we're gonna do, so we'll start reading through it. Right. If their age that they input is less than 13, they input once they do this bit, it runs this bit here. But if their age is greater than 12, then they input that. Else, if age is greater than 17, then it does that. So do F5. Right, so enter username test 1 2 3 4. Please enter your age for your story, 18. Please enter your name, Ben. Please enter your favorite video. Why is it doing video game? So if age is greater than 17, there we go. If age is greater than 12 and less than, and age is less than 18, then do that. So now that should be fine. Enter username test 1 2 3 4. Oh, now it's logging me in. Now that's just logging me in willy-nilly. Right. Now it's just logging me in no matter what. I think what we have to do is get rid of these. We can't have more than one login, because that would mess that up as well. So we'll get rid of those. And then I believe that oh, never mind. I believe that should work now. So we'll input incorrect username and password. Please try again. We'll put in a proper one. Test 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4. Successfully logged in. Please enter your age for your story. So we'll do 18 this time. Please enter your name, Ben. Please enter your favorite activity. Play football. They love to play football. Right, and then we'll restart it again. We'll do enter username test 1 2 3 4. Successfully logged in. Please enter your age for your story. We'll do 10 this time because we tested 10 before. Please enter your name, Ben. Right. So what we need, one that's doing the first story now. So we need to do if age is less than 13. If age is less than 13, then yes, so it's doing the correct story there. That's doing the correct story there. And then now it doesn't do that story. It doesn't load up that story after it. So that should be fine. And then what at the end of this, we need to put another input, which is another thing I want to add. Input, would you like to log out? Would you like to log out? would you like to actually? Would you like to? Would you like to start again? And then we'll put Y or N. Y or N, close that. And then we'll have next to that we'll put RS for restart. Restart equals input. Would you like to start again? Yep. And then we'll do if. Right. After we did the if bit here, then we'll do if RS equals Y equals Y, then what we want it to do is restart. But I can't remember the exact command, so what we're going to do is we're going to do some little cheating here. So we're going to do help turtle demo. Just quickly load up the turtle demo examples. Return and then event loop. I don't think we then need to put anything else in. So we'll do that, Control C, and then we'll get rid of return event. Right. So now if we add that to this little bit here, and then we'll paste it into after every little bit here. So we'll put it in. We'll quickly do that. And then we'll put it in again here. And then hopefully now then it should get rid of that and that one there. Return outside function. Right. So if right, we'll get rid of that quickly. Get rid of that. Now then, what else we want to do is event loop. We've got that one. And then finally what we want is and we'll have to consult Google because I forgot how to make loops. So we'll bring in Google here. In fact, no, I'll take it off the screen. We'll do how to make a program restart. How to make a program restart on user input. Right. Answer raw underscore input. Run again. Right. So this is showing it as a string, not just a normal input. So I don't think we have another answer here. So what we'll do is we'll name the variable answer answer. Why am I doing that? Answer. Answer. And where's answer? Answer. Answer. And there we go, that should all be sorted now. Right. So then it's string raw input run again. If answer end print. Right. If answer equals. We'll start it from up here so we can copy it down. So if answer equals n, then we want it to print goodbye and then break, and then we want to do elif answer equals y. We want it to do. We want it to. Hashtag. Elif answer equals y. I'm trying to. Right. Sorry, I just read it off the wrong thing. Break. If answer. Well, true. All that stuff I've just done is bollocks. While true. In fact, no, we'll get rid of that. And then we'll do that. Else print goodbye. And then we'll do. Quickly get rid of that. And then we'll get rid of that again. We'll then press enter on that, and then press. Sorry, just failed that again. We put while true at the top, and then we'll paste that. So we'll have to put while true, and then we'll put that there. So that goes at the start. I knew that you had to put something at the start. So while true, get rid of that there. We'll get rid of that, and then we'll put that down there. No, we want to take just that there. Actually, no, just that. Right then, nearly done. Take that away from there. Then we'll put that in there. Then we'll put that in there. So now it should. No. Oh. Might need to, yeah. Expected and intended block. Oh, this has just messed up my program. So we'll have to go all the way back to need to redo some of that actually. Control Shift Z. Go bring back some of that. And then. Oh, hello, Casper.
Well, that took a little nap.
Alright, guys, I'll be right back just after the break and we'll continue with this. Anyway, guys, we're just gonna finish this off here. So, we'll take away all this stuff that we did here. Um, um, I don't know what point to get it to now. Control Z. Right. So if we do that, we'll just get rid of that. Right. We'll continue with this bit here. So, answer equal. If answer is Y, then we want it to Um, if answer is what? If answer is no, then we want it to break. So that should be the start of start of that bit. We'll put it after this one here as well. And we'll put that there, and then we'll put would Control V. Right. Try and run that now. Break outside loop. We'll just have to, you know, we'll have to do this another time. Right, and then we'll get rid of. We'll have to do this in the next stream because we're currently running out of time. Get rid of that as well. Yep, so that's how we had it before. Okay, everything should run normally. And yes, we're going to close it now. Thank you very much for watching. Because I know all of you like our new intro. I'm going to play the intro before we leave, and I'll hopefully see you another time. Videos out soon, and a new live stream out soon. Thanks very much for watching, and good night.